Hello friends, welcome back. I Dr. Dinesh welcomes you all. In this video we will discuss about the quality index journals. So all journals related to the SCI index and Scopus index journal and elsewhere category journal for the different discipline like computer science, mechanical, nanoscience, pharmacy, social science and many more topics. एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग अबाउट दिस जर्नल, सो लास्ट तक वीडियो देखिए क्योंकि इसमें हम बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स इसमें कवर करने वाले हैं. एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग अबाउट दिस वीडियो आर high acceptance rate and quick publication journal. So your research paper will get published within 1 to 3 months, maximum 3 months, and you will get notification. Minimum time is 1 week. So let's start. First category in this journal. Journal title is Energy Conversion and Management. So an international journal. Detail of this journal: impact factor 8.208 and side score 13.6. So this is really very good impact factor and side score. And first decision you will get within 1.4 weeks. After that your research paper will get published within 3 weeks. So maximum duration of this journal is 4 weeks. Acceptance rate is 14%. So acceptance rate is also good, and within 30 days के अंदर आपका research paper publish हो जाएगा. So this is also the well and good for this particular journal. And what types of the topic covered by this journal you can see here. So just click on read more. So this section actually cover all the topics can be covered by this journal. So कौन से वो topics हैं you can see here. So like in energy conversion and management, this is journal title, and topics considered include energy generation, utilization, conversion, storage. So this type of the topic covered by this journal. If your research area comes under this category, you can publish your research paper in this quality index journal and also rapid publication journal. So your research paper will get published within 1 month and you will get notification within 1 week. So that's why we are saying this is the rapid publication and quick publication journal. So left hand side this section covers all the journal matrices. So very important thing about this particular matrix, so like site score, impact factor. Now most important thing about this journal, abstract and indexing. So whether this journal is related to the Scopus and elsewhere, so all the abstract and indexing things we can see here in this, like Web of Science, Scopus category, SCI index journal, Web of Science category, and also many more indexing. So if your research area comes under this category, then you need to publish your research paper in this क्विक पब्लिकेशन जर्नल विद इन 30 डेज के अंदर आपका रिसर्च पेपर पब्लिश हो जाएगा. नाउ नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी एल्सवेयर कैटेगरी. दिस इज रियली वेरी रिनाउंड प्लेटफॉर्म टू पब्लिश योर आर्टिकल एंड रिसर्च पेपर. सो जर्नल टाइटल नेम इज नैनो एनर्जी. इम्पैक्ट फैक्टर इज 16.602 and side score 23.1. So this is really good impact factor and really very good journal. So you will get the notification within 2.2 weeks. So most probably you will get the notification within 15 to 17 days. Now the most important thing about this journal, total time required in this for this journal is 5 weeks. So acceptance rate of this journal 21%. So this is really very good acceptance rate. So the publication and acceptance of your research article is very high. And what types of the topics covered by this journal, this section will have all the topics covered by this journal. So explore this journal very carefully. So if your research area comes under this category, then you can publish your research paper in this quality index journal and rapid publication journal. Now abstract and indexing, just click on abstract and indexing tab. So here you can see this journal related to the SCI index journal and also Scopus index journal. Next category, rapid publication journal, elsewhere publication. So journal title is Journal of Informatics. So site score 8.4 and impact factor 4.6. Most important thing about this journal is you will get the notification within 4 weeks, and after that within 3 weeks your research paper will get published. So total time required your manuscript submission to final publication is 7 weeks. So within 7 weeks means within 2 months around your research paper will get published in this quality index journal. and acceptance rate of this journal 18%. So this is really very good thing to know to publish your research paper. So about this journal description, what types of the topics covered by this journal. So this section will cover all the topics and title that have been can be published with this particular journal. So explore this journal, and if your research area comes under this category, then you need to publish your research paper in this quick publication journal and high acceptance rate. Abstract and indexing, just click on left hand side panel, abstract indexing, so we can explore about the indexing tab. So you can see here, this is really very rich indexing of this journal. So as we always prefer Scopus category, Scopus index is there, and also the SCI index also there, and also many more indexing. Next category of Elsevier category, quick publication journal, sustainable chemistry and pharmacy, in the field of the pharmacy and chemistry, and impact factor of this journal 3.2 and site score 3.6. Explore the journal description. So this section explore about this particular journal introduction and what types of the topics covered by this journal. So you can see here, so journal will publish in the following areas. So this type of the area can be covered in this journal. So अगर आपका research area इन सारे topics से match करता है, then you can submit your research paper in this quality index journal and also the rapid publication journal. So you will get the notification within 4 weeks, and after that your research paper will get published within 2 weeks. So total time required with this particular journal is 6 weeks. So 6 weeks के अंदर आपका research paper publish हो जाएगा. So these are the topics: chemistry, chemistry technology, material, pharmaceutical science, pharmaceutical technology, life cycles issues, and product and material design, resources, and many more topics can be covered with this journal. So explore indexing. So whether this journal is related to the Scopus category and SCI category, you can see here this journal related to the SCI index and also Scopus index journal and even ESCI category. So really very good and quick publication journal, and acceptance rate of this journal is 26%. So this is a very good criteria of this journal. So your research paper acceptance chance is very high because journal acceptance rate is 26%. Now next category of the journal, European Journal of Pharmaceutics and Biopharmaceutics. So this is journal title and published by Elsevier category. So International Association of Pharmaceutical Technology. So journal impact factor 4.6 and site score 8.0. So this journal is especially related to the pharmaceutical science and following topics covered by this journal. So you can see here, so what types of the topic covered by this journal. You can see design and development of drug delivery system and of for pharmaceutical, aspect of manufacturing process design, biomedical aspects, strategy, and many more topics can be covered by this journal. So if your research area comes under this category, you can publish your research paper in this quality index journal and quick publication journal. So about this journal, the total time required for this journal, total time is 7 weeks. So before 2 months your research paper will get published, and within 3 weeks you will get the notification, and the acceptance rate of this journal 19%. So the chances of your research paper acceptance is good and most probably high. So you can publish your research paper in this quality index journal. So just focus on indexing. So this journal also related to the Scopus category and also SCI index journal and also PubMed. So these are the very rich indexing, we have very good indexing of this journal. So I recommend to all of you explore this journal if your research area comes under this category. Next one is the additive manufacturing. So journal impact factor 7.002 and site score 8.8. So most important thing about this journal, so total time required for this journal 7 weeks. So within 7 weeks के अंदर आपका research paper publish हो जाएगा, and you will get the first decision means acceptance or rejection or minor change. Within 4 weeks you will get the notification about acceptance or minor changes, and after that within 3 weeks your research paper will get published. So really very quick publication journal. Within 7 weeks your research paper will get published, and acceptance rate is 19%. So the chances of your research paper and manuscript article is very high to publish your research paper. And what types of the topic covered by this journal, you can explore this section. You will have the all types of the topics covered by this journal, like design and modeling, multiple, like these type of the topics covered by this journal. So if your research area comes under this category, then you can submit your research paper for the publication in quick publication journal. So this is a really very good news and golden opportunity to publish your research paper in this quick publication journal. Now next important thing about the indexing. So this journal related to the SCIE index journal. And next one is the knowledge based system. So this journal space is related to the interdisciplinary or multidisciplinary disciplines, and different type of the researcher can publish their research paper. And one more important thing about this journal, acceptance rate of this journal is 17%, and total time required for this journal 15 weeks, and within 6 weeks you will get the notification, and after that 9 weeks are required to publish your research paper. So total time required 15 weeks, so near about 4 months. Most probably before 4 months your research paper will get published. Acceptance rate is 17%. And what types of the topic covered by this journal, so this section will cover all the related to the journals titles and description, and so explore and read out it carefully. And what types of the topics, so you can see like machine learning theory, methodology, algorithm, data science theory, methodological technology, recommender system, e-services, personalization, intelligent decision, and like different types of the fields. So like different types of the field, like if your research area comes under the category management information system, artificial intelligence, software, and also the information software system management. So like these type of the topics covered by this journal. So if your research area comes under this category, then you can publish your research paper with this quality index journal and quick publication journal. Now focus on abstract and indexing. So here you will get about the indexing. So you can see here the journal related to the SCI index journal, Web of Science categories, and also Scopus category, and many more indexing. So friend, these are the top seven journal, international journal and quick publication journal, SCI index journal and Scopus index journal, high acceptance rate, and within 1 month to maximum 3 months your research paper will get published. So अगर आपको वीडियो कुछ सपोर्टिव लगा हो, if you feel video is very helpful towards your research, so show your love by hit on the subscribe button पर क्लिक कीजिए if you are new, and अपना प्यार दिखाइए सब्सक्राइब बटन पर क्लिक करके, और लाइक बटन पर भी क्लिक कीजिए. So friends, thank you for watching this video, and also help your friends by sharing this channel and this video. Thank you.